Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you some amazing plants that you can keep anywhere, whether it's indoors to freshen up your living space or outdoors to brighten up your garden. These versatile plants not only look stunning but are super easy to care for too. So if you are looking for greenery that fits every corner of your home, stay tuned because you are going to love these all-rounder plants. This beautiful and unique plant you are looking at is called the Mexican Mint with white border, also known as variegated Indian Borage or variegated Cuban oregano. It's a very attractive and fragrant plant that instantly adds a refreshing look to any corner of your home or garden. The thick, soft and velvety leaves have a lovely creamy white edge around them, which gives the plant a bright and elegant appearance. You can easily grow it both indoors and outdoors. It loves bright sunlight but can also adjust well to partial shade. This plant is extremely easy to maintain. It doesn't need too much watering, just make sure the soil stays slightly moist and well drained. You can grow it in pots, hanging baskets or directly in your garden bed. The Mexican mint is not only beautiful but also very useful. The leaves have a strong minty aroma and are well known for their medicinal properties. They are often used in home remedies for cold, cough, sore throat and digestion problems. According to Vastu Shastra, keeping this plant at home is considered very auspicious. It is believed to attract positive energy, purify the air and bring peace and prosperity to the household. Its smoothing fragrance also helps reduce stress and gives a calming vibe to your surroundings. You can easily find this plant in local nurseries or online stores, and the price generally ranges between 60 to 150 depending on the pot size and leaf quality. It grows fast, so even a small cutting can turn into a lush bushy plant within a few months. So if you are looking for a plant that combines beauty, health benefits and positive energy, the Mexican Mint with white border is a perfect choice for your home garden. Keep it in your balcony, kitchen window or outdoor corner. It will definitely make your space look lively and full of freshness. Now this vibrant beauty you are seeing is called the Eranthemum Red Plant, is also known as Eranthemum nigrum or red eranthemum. It is one of the most stunning foliage plants you can have at home, famous for its deep red to burgundy colored leaves that instantly brighten up any indoor or outdoor space. The rich color of its leaves adds a bold tropical touch and looks beautiful when paired with green plants. The Eranthemum red plant can be grown with indoors and outdoors. It loves bright indirect sunlight, and with the right amount of light, the red color becomes even more intense and attractive. If you keep it outdoors, try to place it in partial shade so that the leaves don't burn. It grows well in well-drained soil, and you only need to water it when the top layer of soil feels dry. This plant is quite low maintenance, making it perfect even for beginners. According to Vastu Shastra, red-colored plants are known to bring energy, confidence and good luck into your home. The Eranthemum red plant with its fiery leaves is said to attract positive energy and enhance creativity and passion in the environment. It also helps purify the air and adds freshness wherever it places. You can decorate this plant in your balcony, living room or garden area. It stands out beautifully as a border plant or as part of a mixed plant arrangement. The best part is that it grows quickly and can be easily propagated from stem cuttings, so you can grow more of them from one healthy plant. The price of an Eranthemum red plant usually ranges between 80 to 200 depending on the pot size and nursery. It's affordable, beautiful and incredibly easy to care for, a perfect addition to your indoor or outdoor collection. So if you want a plant that brings color, positivity and elegance to your home, the Eranthemum Red Plant is a must-have. Its stunning red foliage will definitely catch everyone's eye and make your garden look vibrant and full of life. Now this elegant and stylish plant you are looking at is called the Dracaena Reflexa, also popularly known as the Song of Indian plant. It's one of the most attractive and low maintenance house plants that instantly adds a modern and tropical vibe to any space. The beautiful green leaves with yellow or light green edges grow in a spiral pattern around the stems, giving it a lush layered look. Whether you place it indoors in your living room, office or outdoors in your garden, the Dracaena Reflexa always stands out with its unique texture and vibrant color. This plant is loved for how easy it is to grow and maintain. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight but can also tolerate low light, making it perfect for homes and offices. The soil should be well drained and watering should be done only when the top layer feels dry. Overwatering should always be avoided. The Dracaena Reflexa doesn't demand much attention but rewards you with long-lasting greenery all year round. According to Vastu Shastra and Feng Shui, the Dracaena Reflexa is considered a lucky plant that attracts positive energy, good health and prosperity. It's also an excellent air purifier. NASA's Clean Air Study even listed Dracaena varieties as effective in removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from indoor air. So not only does it make your home look beautiful, but it also helps you breathe cleaner, fresher air every day. You can decorate this plant in corners, near doors or in your workspace for a calm and natural atmosphere. It looks great both in ceramic pots and decorative planters. The Dracaena Reflexa can grow up to 3 to 6 feet tall if given space, but you can easily prune it to maintain a compact shape. It's also safe to grow in water for short periods, which looks very stylish in glass vases. The price of this plant generally ranges between 150 to 350 depending on the height and pot quality. It's truly a plant that combines beauty, simplicity and positive energy all in one. So if you are searching for a plant that brings elegance, freshness and good luck to your home, the Dracaena Reflexa or Song of India plant is the perfect choice for your indoor or outdoor decor. Now this remarkable plant you are looking at is called the Ashwagandha plant, also popularly referred to as winter cherry. Ashwagandha is one of the most famous medicinal plant in Ayurveda and has been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits. It's a small woody shrub with bright green leaves and small greenish yellow flowers that eventually produce red-orange berries. The plant has a soothing and earthy appearance, making it suitable for home gardens, terrace and pots. The Ashwagandha plant is quite easy to grow and maintain. It thrives in warm climates and prefers well-drained sandy or loamy soil. It requires moderate sunlight and regular watering, but overwatering should be avoided as the roots are prone to rot. You can grow it in pots, raised beds or directly in your garden. With proper care, it grows into a bushy shrub within a few months and continues to provide health benefits throughout the year. Ashwagandha is highly valued for its medicinal properties. Its roots, leaves and berries are used in traditional remedies to reduce stress, improve immunity, boost energy and enhance mental clarity. It is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a powerful natural supplement for overall wellness. Many people also use ashwagandha in home remedies to improve sleep, support heart health, and promote vitality. According to Vastu Shastra, keeping ashwagandha at home brings positive energy, balance, and harmony. It's considered a plant that enhances well-being and strengthens both the mind and body. Its presence in the garden or terrace also adds a touch of traditional charm and natural beauty to your surroundings. You can place the Ashwagandha plant in a sunny corner of your balcony, garden, or near a terrace. It grows up to 3 to 5 feet tall, and pruning occasionally helps in maintaining a healthy shape. The price of an Ashwagandha plant usually ranges between 80 to 200 depending on size and nursery. So if you are looking for a plant that is not only beautiful but also extremely beneficial for health, the Ashwagandha plant is an ideal choice. It combines natural beauty, Ayurvedic wellness, and positive energy, making it a perfect addition to your home or garden. Now the next eye-catching and colorful plant you are seeing is called the Gold Dust Croton, also known as Codiaeum Variegated Gold Dust. It's one of the most stunning ornamental foliage plants that can instantly brighten up any space with its vibrant leaves. The glossy green leaves are beautifully sprinkled with golden yellow spots, just like dusted gold. That's how it got its name. Whether you place it indoors near a window or outside in your balcony or garden, it adds a rich tropical feel and becomes a perfect highlight among other plants. The gold dust croton loves bright, indirect sunlight. The more light it gets, the brighter and more vibrant its yellow spots become. However, keep it away from harsh afternoon sun as it can scorch the leaves. It grows well in well-draining soil and watering should be moderate, only when the top inch of soil feels dry. With the right care, this plant can stay colorful and healthy throughout the year. According to Vastu Shastra, the gold dust croton is believed to bring positivity, prosperity, and protection to your home. Its golden hued leaves are symbolic of wealth and success, while the vibrant color energy helps uplift mood and remove negativity from the environment. It's also a great air purifying plant, helping to remove toxins and keep your surroundings fresh and clean. You can decorate it in your living room, office, or entrance area. It stands out beautifully in decorative ceramic or fiber pots. It's also perfect for balcony gardens and can be combined with green or red foliage plants to create an attractive contrast. The gold dust croton grows up to 2 to 3 feet tall, and with regular pruning, you can maintain its bushy, compact shape easily. This plant is not only visually stunning but also long-lasting and low maintenance. You can propagate it easily through stem cutting and grow new plants at home. The price generally ranges between 100 to 250 depending on size and nursery quality. So if you are looking for a plant that brings color, charm, and positivity to your space, the gold dust croton is a perfect choice. It truly adds a golden sparkle to your garden and makes your home look bright, happy, and full of life. Now this colorful and vibrant plant you are seeing is called the Codiaeum Variegated Plant, commonly known as croton. It's one of the most beautiful ornamental foliage plant that can instantly transform any dull space into a lively tropical corner. The Codiaeum Variegated is famous for its stunning multicolored leaves. You will find shades of green, yellow, red, orange, and sometimes even pink or purple, all in one plant. Each leaf has a unique shape and color pattern, making every croton plant look different and special. The Codiaeum Variegated grows beautifully both indoors and outdoors. It loves bright light. The more sunlight it gets, the more vibrant and rich its leaf color become. However, it's best to protect it from direct harsh afternoon sun to prevent leaf burn. The plant prefers well-drained soil and needs moderate watering. Only water when the top layer of soil feels dry. Overwatering can damage the roots, so a little care goes a long way. According to Vastu Shastra, this plant is considered very lucky and positive. Its bright color symbolizes energy, happiness, and prosperity. Keeping a croton at home is believed to attract positive energy and remove negativity from the surroundings. It's also an excellent air purifying plant, helping to keep your indoor air fresh and clean. The Codiaeum Variegated plant plant looks gorgeous in living rooms, office spaces, balconies, and even garden borders. It pairs beautifully with green and yellow foliage plants and can instantly brighten up any corner. You can place it in a decorative ceramic or fiber pot to enhance its beauty even more. With regular pruning, it stays bushy and compact, and you can even propagate it easily through stem cutting to grow new plants at home. This plant generally grows up to 2 to 4 feet tall, depending on the space and care. The price usually ranges between 120 to 300 depending on size and nursery quality. So if you want a plant that adds color, style and positive energy to your home, the Codiaeum Variegated plant is a perfect choice. It's easy to care for, visual stunning and brings a cheerful tropical charm that makes any space feel warm and welcoming. Now this gorgeous plant you are looking at is called the Petra Croton plant, one of the most stunning and colorful varieties of the Croton family. Its broad, leathery leaves display a breathtaking mix of colors, rich shades of green, yellow, orange, red and sometimes even deep purple, all beautifully outlined with bold veins. Each leaf looks like a piece of natural art, making this plant an instant showstopper wherever it placed. The Petra Croton grows beautifully both indoors and outdoors. It loves bright indirect sunlight. The more light it gets, the brighter and more dramatic the leaf color become. If kept in low light, the plants will stay mostly green, so make sure to give it enough brightness to keep those vibrant hues alive. It grows best in well-drained soil and needs moderate watering. Just water when the top layer of soil feels dry. Overwatering should be avoided as the plant's roots prefer a little dryness between watering sessions. According to Vastu Shastra, the Petra Croton is known to bring positivity, energy, and confidence to your home. Its fiery mix of red and gold tones symbolizes positive and good fortune. Many people also believe that keeping this plant near entrance or in living spaces helps remove negative energy and uplift the mood of the energy. This plant not only adds color but also helps purify the air, improving indoor air quality naturally. You can place it in decorative ceramic or fiber pots to enhance its beauty even more. It looks stunning near windows, balconies, or bright corners of your living room. The Petra Croton can grow around 2 to 3 feet tall, and with proper pruning, it stays bushy and compact, giving your space a neat and vibrant appearance. Propagation is simple too. You can grow new plants from stem cutting and expand your croton collection easily. The price usually ranges from 100 to 300 depending on the size and pot quality, which makes it an affordable way to bring a burst of tropical color into your home. So if you are looking for a plant that combines rich color, positivity and elegance, the Petra Croton plant is a perfect choice. It's more than just a plant, it's a piece of living art that adds life, energy and beauty to every corner of your home or garden. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope you enjoyed exploring all these amazing plants with me and learned something new about their beauty, care and benefits. Remember, bringing plants into your home or garden not only adds color and freshness but also brings positivity and good energy into your home. Stay green, stay happy, and I will see you in the next video.